Do you want to know how you can edit your personal profile on 1xBet? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to TechTube. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can edit your personal profile on 1xBet. Go ahead and search for 1xBet.com on your browser and then log into your account. The next step is to hover around My Profile and click on Personal Profile. After you click on Personal Profile, a section of your personal profile will open up and you can edit your personal profile as well. So you can see that if you scroll a bit down, you can see your account info, account number, password, registration date, your contact details such as your phone and email, and your personal profile. So in order for you to edit all of these, go ahead and enable this button. And you can see that you can edit your personal profile quite easily. So in order for you to edit your personal profile, go ahead and click on enable this option, and you can go ahead and write down your surname, your first name, and you can enter your date of birth. After you enter your date of birth, write down your place of birth as well. And you can also upload your type of document, and if you can't upload your document type, you can write down some of the description like document number, document issue date, the country of your residence, your permanent registered address, and you can denote your sex as well. And after that, you can click save. This way, you can edit your personal profile on 1xBet. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.